Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I am going to upgrade this 50-watt LED light. Friend, few weeks ago I made this light. If you want to see making video of this LED light, link in description, you can also check. Here you can see the power of 50-watt LED light. Friend, in today's video I am going to upgrade this light. I will be install this PC stand on this light. Here you can see this. Friend, first I will open this light. Friend, I will fix with the help of screws. Friend, I fixed with the help of screws. Here you can see this. Now let's close. So friend, light has been fixed and ready for use. Here you can see this, there is on off switch button, there is power jack for charging. And there is power off light. So friends, that's all about my this video. I hope you will enjoy my this video. So don't forget to subscribe, also press the bell icon for my next project. Thanks for watching.